Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Merge Gardens. To change your name in Merge Garden is super easy, so let's get started without wasting much of our time. First of all, launch open the Merge Garden application on your device, and from the home screen, go to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal menu button. From the expanded menu in the pop-up, click on Friends. After you open up the Friends tab, you will see your current profile. Tap on the Edit Profile button right next to your name. Go ahead and type down a new name for your name under Gardener's name. And once you are done typing it down, click on Save at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you have successfully changed your name in Merge Garden. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.